Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you some key features of WhatsApp communities. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to use WhatsApp community, so you must have to learn some key features of WhatsApp community. So let's see, you must have to open your WhatsApp and here just create a community as I have one. Just select the community and now I'm going to tell you some key features of the WhatsApp community. The first feature is that you can centralize related groups into one network for enhanced communication. So it means that you can manually use or add up to 50 groups in one community. You can see I have only two groups, but if you want to add group, just tap on add group option, and here you can add any existing group or create new group from here. So you can manage up to 50 groups in just a community. Or here's the second feature, which is featuring an announcement group for broad updates. If you have any community, so you must have to go for announcement, and here just add any announcement, and your announcement will be sent all of the groups which you have added to your community. So this is a basic feature you must have to use that. So in announcement section, only admins can send message as I have. So here's the third feature, that member privacy controls where phone numbers remain hidden. So if you have any community, so you can set that just only admins can see who is added to your community. You can see that here is no members appearing. So it means you can control the members visibility in your community. So here's the last and the main feature, which is multiple admin roles for management. You can add multiple admins or multiple community owners, and here's end-to-end encryption for all chats in your WhatsApp community. So if you're using any community, so you must have to learn this. So that's how you can easily use any WhatsApp community. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.